Hello dear decorators. Today we will see more wonderful ideas for Christmas. Christmas decorations create an emotional connection, not just for you but for anyone who enters your home. They remind people of memories, traditions, family gatherings, and moments of joy. That emotional impact is something very few other types of decoration can achieve. When you decorate thoughtfully, you're not just designing a space, you're creating an experience. And that experience becomes part of your life story year after year. Another major benefit is how decorating encourages creativity. This is your chance to express your personal style in a way that feels festive but still authentic to you. You don't have to follow trends exactly as they are. You can adapt them. Maybe you love neutral tones, so you create a Christmas palette with whites, creams, and soft golds. Maybe you prefer something bold, with deep reds, greens, and metallic accents. Or maybe you go completely modern with black, silver, and minimalistic elements. The beauty is that Christmas decoration is flexible. It allows you to experiment while still staying within a recognizable theme. And something very important that many people overlook is how decorating can actually improve your mood. The lights alone can make a huge difference. Soft, warm lighting creates a calming effect, especially during the evenings. It makes your home feel cozy and safe. Add candles, textures like blankets and cushions, and suddenly your space becomes a place where you want to spend more time. During a season that can sometimes feel stressful or overwhelming, your decorated home becomes your personal retreat. Now, when it comes to practical advice, one of the most important things is to start with a clear vision. Before you begin placing decorations everywhere, take a moment to think about the feeling you want to create. Do you want your home to feel elegant, cozy, luxurious, playful, or traditional? Once you decide that, everything else becomes easier because your choices will follow that direction. The Christmas tree is usually the focal point, so it's worth giving it special attention. Think about balance. You don't want all the decorations clustered in one area. Spread ornaments evenly, mix different sizes, and don't forget depth. Place some decorations deeper into the branches, not just on the surface. This creates a richer and more professional look. Lights are essential, and layering them correctly can make your tree look magical. Instead of just wrapping them around, weave them in and out of the branches. Beyond the tree, consider how you can decorate in layers throughout your home. Start with the main areas like the living room, dining room, and entrance. Garlands are incredibly versatile. You can place them on mantles, staircases, or even door frames. Adding small lights or subtle ornaments to garlands can elevate them instantly. Wreaths are another powerful decorative element. They're simple but very effective, especially on doors or walls. One suggestion that makes a big difference is to incorporate natural elements. Pine cones, branches, greenery, and even dried oranges can add texture and authenticity to your decorations. They bring a sense of nature indoors, which makes everything feel more grounded and less artificial. You can combine these with metallic touches like gold or silver to create contrast and elegance. Don't forget about smaller details because they are what truly complete the look. Things like table settings, cushions, throws, and even small decorative figures can tie everything together. Your dining table, for example, can become a centerpiece of your decoration. A simple runner, some candles, and a few coordinated elements can create a beautiful and inviting space for meals. Another important tip is not to overcrowd your space. It's tempting to use everything you have, but too many decorations can feel chaotic instead of festive. Give your decorations room to breathe. This allows each piece to stand out and keeps your home feeling organized and harmonious. If you want to take things a step further, think about consistency. Try to maintain a similar color palette or style throughout your home. This doesn't mean everything has to match perfectly, but there should be a sense of connection between rooms. This creates a more polished and intentional look. And let's talk about lighting again because it really is one of the most powerful tools you have. Besides the tree lights, consider adding string lights in unexpected places. Around windows, inside glass jars, along shelves. These small touches create a soft glow that enhances the entire environment. Candles, whether real or LED, add another layer of warmth and elegance. One of the most beautiful aspects of Christmas decorating is that it brings people together. Whether you're decorating alone or with family, the process itself can be meaningful. It becomes a tradition, something you look forward to every year. And over time, your decorations can become part of your identity, especially if you reuse certain pieces that hold sentimental value. And as you keep building that atmosphere, you start to notice something even deeper happening. Your home begins to tell a story. Every corner, every light, every small decorative choice becomes part of a narrative that reflects warmth, care, and intention. That's one of the most powerful advantages of Christmas decorating that people don't always realize right away. It turns your home into something personal, almost like a visual expression of how you experience the season. Think about how powerful scent can be as well. While most people focus on what they see, what you smell plays a huge role in how your home feels. Incorporating subtle seasonal scents can elevate everything you've already done visually. It could be candles with notes of cinnamon, vanilla, or pine, or even natural elements like fresh greenery. When someone walks into your home and immediately smells something warm and comforting, it completes the experience in a way that visuals alone cannot. And something else that really makes a difference is sound. Soft background music, especially instrumental or classic holiday melodies, can completely transform the mood of your space. When you combine lighting, scent, and sound, your home becomes immersive. It's no longer just decorated. It feels alive with the spirit of the season. Now let's talk about how to make your decorations feel more elevated without necessarily spending more money. One of the best strategies is repetition and rhythm. When you repeat certain elements throughout your home, like the same type of ribbon, the same color accents, or similar textures, everything starts to feel intentional and cohesive. It creates a flow from one room to another. This is what gives that designer-level look, even when you're working with simple materials. Another idea is to play with height and dimension. Don't keep everything at the same level. Use taller elements like vases with branches, candlesticks, or layered decorations on shelves. When your eye moves up and down across a space, it creates visual interest and makes the room feel more dynamic. Even small adjustments like placing items on trays or stacking books to elevate decorations can make a big difference. You can also create little focal points around your home, not just one main area. While the Christmas tree is usually the star, having secondary focal points adds depth to your decoration. Maybe a decorated coffee table, a styled console near the entrance, or a cozy corner with blankets, cushions, and soft lighting. These smaller areas invite people to explore your home and notice the details. And here's something that can truly set your decoration apart: personalization. Adding elements that reflect your life, your memories, or your traditions makes your home feel authentic. It could be handmade decorations, photos, or pieces you've collected over the years. These details may seem small, but they are often the ones people remember the most. If you're aiming for a more luxurious feel, focus on materials and finishes. You don't need a lot of items, but choosing pieces that look refined can elevate everything. Think of fabrics like velvet or faux fur, metallic accents, glass ornaments, and warm lighting. Even something as simple as changing your cushion covers or adding a textured throw can shift the entire mood of a room. At the end of the day, Christmas decorations are not about perfection. They're about creating a space that feels good to you. A space that reflects joy, warmth, and a sense of celebration. When done right, your home doesn't just look different, it feels different. And that feeling is what makes the season truly special. So take your time, enjoy the process, and don't be afraid to make it your own. Because the real magic of Christmas decoration isn't in how it looks, it's in how it makes you feel every time you walk into your home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel in order to get the best decoration content.